Hey, it's Nathan here. Lately, I've been catching myself thinking more and more. There's just too much information out there. It feels like every day brings a new tip, a new approach, and it all becomes overwhelming. At some point, I realized I don't need more noise. I need an anchor. That's exactly why my team and I started developing an assistant, not to replace thinking, but to distill the essence for me, based on fact. This bot is a result of months of work, packed with everything I've gathered over years of practice, attention to details, and understanding of key factors, and the structure that helps me make confident decisions. Today, you will see how it works in real time, not as a tech demo for the sake of it, but as a tool that fits seamlessly into an actual trading. You'll feel a difference yourself when you have an assistant that doesn't tell you what to do, but where to look. If you are curious how this fits into my workflow, stick around. At the end, I will share you where you can see more examples and join the community where we put all into this practice. Let's go. Before we move forward, I want to share something important. At some point, I realized the more responsibility you have for your team, your finances, your result, the more you value calm and confident. That's when it made sense to create a tool that helps you navigate faster and stay focused. In my community, I share exactly how I've integrated this assistant into my daily routine. I show how it gathers data, what it pays attention to, and what matters to avoid making decisions blindly. This isn't about guesswork. It's about structure that keeps you steady, even when everything around you is volatile. If this resonates with you, you can check it out and see how it works. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Now, let me show you how I actually use it. I already have everything open. My assistant has identified the pairs we'll be working with. Let's select them. All set. Today, my smart assistant will conduct the analysis, so we won't need indicators. Alright, everything's ready. My assistant is analyzing the first pair. Time to get started. So, my assistant says we should go short. Let's do it. For now, let's observe the situation. We can see there was an uptrend, but then the market got stuck in the sideways movement. There was a strong breakout downward from this range. Watching closely. Let's keep watching. For this pair, the AI bot also suggests going short. Okay. I'm observing now. After an upward move, there was a reversal from a local peak. You can see the momentum weakening especially noticeable in the pattern of recent candlesticks. Based on experience, such situations often lead to a gradual decline, so I expect further downward movement. The assistant is helping, but it's important not to get complacent. It's already analyzed the next pair. Let's take a look. Now, we're advised to go long. I won't argue. I'll follow the advice. I noticed that after a decline, the price has approached a key level where we've seen reactions before. Now, we're seeing another approach to this zone. In such cases, a reversal is common, so I expect upward movement to continue. Great, moving on. The longer I work in this field, the more I value precision, not speed. Sometimes only one right decision can change far more than 100 impulsive ones. That's why I don't just use this assistant as a hint. It is part of my system. It processes tons of data in seconds, highlights things I might have missed, and helps me keep the big picture in focus, even in the heat of the moment. It doesn't mean you offload responsibility onto it, but when you have a tool built on your own principles, one that thinks like you, only faster and whole processes change. It becomes more confident, sharper. In my community, I show exactly how this works. No fluff, just real-time breakdowns. We discuss, analyze, and support each other. If you are curious to take a look inside, the link is in the description and pinned comment. Seeing it once is better than wondering if it's worth it. Now, let's keep going. Next, we move to another pair. My assistant says to go long. Perfect. We're entering a strong uptrend. The price is moving up without pullbacks, and we're joining this momentum. Awesome. The uptrend continues. My assistant is proving itself. Let's keep going. Looking further, I see the situation is straightforward. The bot says to go short. Okay. After a sharp drop, the price continues moving in the same direction, with minor retracement. No reversal signs yet, so the decision was made to follow the current trend. Observing. Great, predictable, and in this business, that's a good thing. We've already analyzed the next pair. So, the assistant suggests to go short. As expected, the price has again approached the familiar zone and slightly bounced off. Now, we can see the movement gradually hugging the boundary. This behavior often precedes further continuation in the same direction. Let's keep watching how it develops. Alright, time to wrap things up. Getting a signal? Okay, another short. Got it. As expected, after a steady decline, there's been a move in the opposite directions. This could be a temporary pullback. The price has reached a key zone where we've seen reactions before. Right now, based on observations, there is a chance the trend will resume. We'll watch closely. What do you think of assistant's work? Impressive, right? I'm pleased. Alright, I think you've seen enough to draw your own conclusions. The assistant does its job. It helps you act with a clear head when the noise of information could easily throw you off. And this isn't luck. Behind this system is nearly a year of our work, testing, mistakes, and refining based on real cases. Now, you have a chance to do more than just watch from the sidelines. You can try it out live. In my community, we break down situations like this daily. I show how to use the assistant in real trading, and I stay available so you are not left guessing. If you feel ready to level up and stop wasting time on doubts, click the link in the description on the first pinned comment. Just take a look. This might be the missing piece you've been looking for. Thanks for being here with me. See you in the community.